Hello and welcome to Umbraco GraphQL tutorial. I have already installed Umbraco latest version in my local PC. Let me log in backend side and show you that version of Umbraco and package installed in this project. Currently is 17.4.2 version running, and in package I have only Arrow simple form package available. Let's start first to install our package in our project. So for that you need to go manage NuGet package and install Arrow Arroact.Umbraco.GraphQL package. Search this package, find suitable version and install in your project. Once installed, build entire project and run your project. Let's wait for the project up and running. Now it's running perfectly. Let's go back inside and check packages, whether our newly installed package is available or not. So yes, Arroact.Umbraco.GraphQL is installed successfully. By default it's not appear in menu, so you need to add Arrow GraphQL in your admin user group. Let's jump into the Arrow GraphQL IDE. So by default, if you don't have configure a key, then it's so like you need to configure this JSON in your application setting JSON. Go to the application setting JSON and paste entire JSON over here. And in the API key, you need to configure your key. Currently, I am just copying ID of anything and paste over as a key, so that our GraphQL is running fine and so all the query is our requirement. So let's run again this project. Now project is running. Let's go to the backend side and Arrow GraphQL IDE. Now you can see query builder in left side, which have all the query, and there will one setting tab in which you can find your key. So this key and your application setting key both are same. You can compare with your application setting JSON as well. And if you wish to add more header, so you can add over here. Let's create our first query. I just need to home page, key, ID and all the things. So currently it's showing me empty because we don't have any content as of now. So for the demo purpose, let me create a document type with the template and as a home, and let me add a property. First is title and property type is might be text string. It's okay. Let me add one more property. Might be description is perfect, and add property type as a text area. So our document type is ready. Let's configure structure so that we can add content by using this document type in root part of our content. So now all looks good. Let's create our first page, name as a home, title as a like home page, and description. Let me add more description, like this is a home page. Now save entire things. Now let's try again to get our root content from GraphQL. This time I also need the property, so I am adding property filter which have a key, value and data types. Execute the query and you can find like content ID, content key and all the property which are available in your content as well as name as well. So now this is a simple structure, but in real website is not this much easy. So for that I'm going to install Umbraco starter kit. You can find this package in Umbraco document. Go to the Umbraco document and find this package. Before installing this package, I need to remove my all the configuration related to homepage, because this kit or this package have their own homepage. So let me remove all the content and all the document type from my project. Template, I don't have any template, so all looks good. Now just copy this package and search in the manage NuGet package. So this kit have so many versions. I am going to install my suitable version, which is a 17.0. So installation is completed successfully. Let me run project again, build and run. Let's wait for some minute, some seconds. Yeah, so this is a basic demo which have home page, product page, people, about us, blog page and contact us, which basically we require for common website. So let's directly jump to our IDE, and this time I am going to fetch home page. First just get key, ID and name and execute. So we have home page with the different ID. Now fetch all the properties available in home page. You can see all the properties which available in our home page is already displayed with the key, value and the data type. In this GraphQL package you can also get a grid as well. So if you see, if it is a content picker, so it's going to be a show as a data type as a content picker, and if it is a grid available, then it's also going to show like grid column, grid row and all the things. Apart from that, it's also going to show you the property of that particular grid. So ultimately it's element, so element property is also going to be show over here. You can also manage this JSON, like this is a beautify JSON in which you can collapse and call span each and every node and check whether your data is available and all the things. So GraphQL have more function. You cannot only get the root path, but you can also get the content by ID, by name and all the things. So our second function is content by ID. For that we require any content ID. So currently I am copy the about us page ID. from our content side, and in our query I'm selecting content by ID and as an argument ID, and paste ID over here and select key ID name and all the property of that particular content and execute the query. So you can see that about us page have this much of property and data type and all the things. This is good. Let me try with uh, like child. You can also get all the child. So sometime like if you are going to display list of blog or list of pages under the pair which are available in under the parent page, so you can also get the child page. So you can say that enable your child, add that filter child and execute the query, so you can get all the child which are available in that particular pages. In about us page we have two child available which already show in your GraphQL. Let get this same content by URL. So in real time, uh, it's better to get your query or your GraphQL JSON by the URL. So in the argument, I'm going to add about /us and select key ID and type and child as well. Now execute the query. All looks good. Now let's just I think all looks good. Yeah, I just forgot to select children. Now execute the query and you can get all your children and page as well. This query, each and every query have child with their page information and total number of count. So if you are at this page info and total count and execute, you can see that there are two number of pages or two child available under this about us page. This is all about GraphQL. You can use this GraphQL in your project and create headless application by using Umbraco. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the part 2 in which I am going to show you how you can create headless application by using this package. Thank you.